What's going on, everybody? Josh, starterraingutterbusiness.com. We've been working on some new courses for you guys, and we're just launching one that you need to check out. This one's going to show you guys the key points that we've learned on how to get your business from a one-man show to a multi-million-dollar business. I'm going to pass you guys off to my dad, Dave. He's going to get more in-depth with you guys on what you can get out of this course. It's stuff that would have really helped us kind of move forward and jumpstart everything. So check it out.
Hey, thanks Josh, appreciate that. And way to go with those more recent videos you've been doing about those custom gutters. And man, you are like raking it in. Good job. And thank you for joining us in checking out our new course. I'm so excited about this because I think it's something that can really help a lot of gutter guys out in their life and in their future. You know, according to the National Association of Home Builders, the average gutter company is around $200,000 to $300,000 in revenue every year. That means that's about $1,000 to $1,500 job every day during the week. And so to me, that tells me that you're out there, you're trying to do sales, you're on the ladder taking phone calls, you're driving around trying to keep the one guy that's worked for you part-time busy and out of jail, and doing all this nightmare, dealing with ticked off customers, and you're doing it all by yourself. And you could be wondering, why did I ever start this stupid rain gutter business up? Well, you know what? We were right there with you. We're in that same spot. And we found we were able to implement things that really catapulted us to a new spot. In fact, this last year we did about $3 million in sales. Next year, the year we're in right now, we're projecting that we could be close to 5 million because of some of the ideas that we're going to be talking about in this course and that we implemented, and it just leveraged us and catapulted us into like huge amounts of freedom, huge amounts of money, cash, and lots of good things. And so that's what I want. That's what I want you guys to be experiencing. If you do get into this course, you'll discover these 15 key strategies that we implemented that will, and it'll give you like a straight path. We had to like wander all over the place, and it took us years to do this. If you take this course, implement these ideas today, you can get there in just a matter of a few years instead of doing what we did that took us like 5 or 10 years. So join in here. It's a shortcut. It's going to give you a lot of financial freedom. You're going to be able to grow this incredible business if you follow these principles. And the cool thing about it is all these things that we're going to be talking about are actual things that we implemented ourselves. We did these things. And the way we come up with a list of 15 things is me and Josh sat down and we listed these things out. Over the past 10 years, what did we do that made us go from a $500,000 business to a multi-million-dollar business? And we compiled them, and we in this course you're going to learn all about how we implemented them, how you can implement them, and how you can be successful. And if you follow these principles, I'm so excited because you can be a gutter millionaire. Click on the link below and get involved. It's cheap. For the price of taking your wife out to dinner, you can buy this course like dirt cheap, man. Go do it. Click on that link today. Get it now. Get involved. You'll never regret it. It'll be one of the best decisions you made in your life.